Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. And this project tonight, I know it's night, I couldn't wait, but I'm gonna upgrade my interior LEDs that I currently have. I bought these lights on Amazon, and I'm gonna upgrade to Lasfit LEDs. So let me show you the difference, let me show you the product. So I'd like to show you the difference between the LED, the regular halogen bulb that we had in the interior, the cheaper T10 LED that I bought from Amazon, and the more expensive one, Lasfit LED. Even looks much better. So I'm gonna plug it in each of these bulbs, and I'm gonna show you the difference. But I am planning to change all of my interior lights into this new LED Lasfit, because right now I have this product installed. I bought it on Amazon, it was cheap, and they do provide a lot of light. You'll see the difference, significant difference. But once you plug in T10, this is called T10 Lasfit, you'll see much more difference. It says L-10 White. Okay, so this is the original light, the bulb that was here installed, and this is yellow. You can clearly see it's like yellow, not enough lighting provided here, right? And by the way, I forget to show you guys how to remove this. Take your plastic tool like this, you know, it's called trim removal, and you have to push it on this side in until you hit this plastic piece. See, like right there. Let me show you all over. So you take this plastic tool right here, you push it in there, and don't worry, you're not gonna break anything. And that's it. This light comes out. You don't want to push it on this side because that's where the connector is. But anyway, let's replace this bulb with a cheaper bulb that I bought on Amazon, and we'll see how that one lights up. I'm gonna insert this LED. You probably see these on Amazon. They're like maybe for, I don't know, like $7 or $10. There's a bunch of them. This is how it looks. Also, this is the packaging. They call it Cyrus LED, #1 best-selling on Amazon. So these T10, they look like this. Let's compare them to Lasfit. All I'm gonna do, just push this in. All right. I mean, they're much brighter than the original bulb, the halogen, much brighter. I mean, once you also push this piece back, you'll definitely see the difference in lighting, much different. But also right now, let's try the Lasfit, and you'll see the difference. You will definitely see the difference. Much brighter than this Cyrus. This is a Lasfit T10 LED. You can see these golden connectors on the back, on the edge. Right. Let's compare this one to this one. The Lasfit has little resistors on the side, at the edge. Has like a bigger microchip, 470 it says on there. Let's turn it on the side. See, on both sides, Lasfit has these little resistors. And the Cyrus one, the cheaper one, it doesn't have it. I just love my LED so much. So that's why I'm gonna switch everything to on the interior to Lasfit. So let's plug this one in right now. Right, the Lasfit LED is in. You could tell that it's brighter. You could definitely tell it's brighter. I'm just gonna plug this in. I'm gonna leave this one in. I like it. Push it back and we're done with this one. Yeah, for sure guys, it's much brighter LED and much better quality. I'm also gonna install it on the other side. And these, we're gonna replace these with Lasfit. If you want to replace these lights, you have to take your tool, push it in here, right here. Like you've seen it in my other videos. I'm gonna actually send you a link. And you're just gonna push it down, and there's a clip, and it comes loose. Same thing on this end. You see? You pull it down then, and the clip will come off. This clip, it'll come off. So just pull it down, right? But also don't worry, you're not gonna break this piece. Once this piece is removed, all you do is just turn this. This is a bulb that you want to replace. Turn it counterclockwise, same as this one. So we're going to turn it counterclockwise. Here's our bulb. Turn this one counterclockwise. Same thing with this one. Turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. And we're going to pull this LED out. Same thing with this one. Pull it out. New Lasfit. Push it in there. Connector right there. Push it in. Alright, so the Lasfit are in. Kind of hard to push them in, but they feel like a little bit thicker. But they're in. And we're gonna install it. Alright, so now we're gonna take this one. Align the side. And turn it clockwise. Alright, in order to put this back, we're going to align these holes right there at the end. Clip it on. Easy. Push, 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 and it clips on. Make sure you align the holes down there. Align them, and then kind of push it in and lock it in place. Now let's see the difference of the LEDs right now. So let's start recording. I can tell you these are much brighter. The L10, the T10 LEDs from Lasfit are much brighter. All I'm going to do is just replace that side and the one in the back. So remember, when you're trying to pry this out, right? Go this one end. Don't use a screwdriver. Use this plastic tool like this. Or if you do have to use a screwdriver, make sure you put tape around it. Push it through, and until you hit this plastic part. You know, you hit this, push on it, and it comes out. Now, if you do it on the wrong side, but once you try to pry it out and you see there's like a gray connector, don't go on that side. Switch to this side. And here's our bulb. Then replace it with our Lasfit LED. It's going to be too bright, very bright. All right, now push one end until it clicks. Now let's try to open it, see if it works. Wow, right away, significant difference. Very bright, very nice. Like I said, be careful, guys. When you start going on the wrong side and you kind of see through the little hole like the gray connector, leave this side and move to another one. Put your plastic tool trim removal tool and just pry it out. Don't worry, you're not gonna break anything. Looks so much better. Lasfit. This one. In order to remove this dome LED plastic cover, so you can replace the LED on the inside, just as you see here, there's a little like tiny opening on both sides. Make sure you use your plastic trim removal tool and you just push it in there, kind of like boom, and there you go. It just comes out very easy. Now this bulb might be hot, so what you want to do, be careful removing it. So I'm going to turn off the light. This LED, this dome light LED, just kind of fell out. As soon as you just push on this little connector, push it in, and it's gonna fall out. Very nice and easy. And on this side, there's a little like opening, this hole. When you push this end into it and then push it up, it locks in place. So this is the Cyrus LED that I had there. Actually, it says Yorken something. And we're gonna install the Lasfit. So this is the cheaper one, Yorkem Cyrus LED that I had in, and this is the Lasfit. See how it looks? Lasfit looks much beefier. Well, let's try to put it in. But then again, this Yorkem has more LEDs in there. Now let's see which one is brighter. This is a cheaper one LED, Yorkem. Pretty bright. And let's see how the LED from Lasfit, how that will work. And this is pretty bright. And I'm gonna put this cover. Yeah, pretty bright. So let's install Lasfit. And this is the Lasfit one. You gotta fit this little end into this hole. So the Lasfit LED is in, and it actually fits much better, much easier into this spot because the Yorkem was much bigger LED, a little bit bigger. This is perfect fit actually, you know. And let's see how bright it is. Let's turn it on, and you could tell the difference. Maybe not on camera, but I tell you this, guys, Lasfit is much brighter LED. You will see much clearer. Much clearer. Let's put this thing back. So in order to put this back, how do you put this back? It's supposed to go like this. Yep, it's supposed to go like this. And that's it. Push it in. There's like little teeth right here. You put the end first and then push it up. And now we have a Lasfit LED in our dome lights. Much brighter. Open the rear trunk and I installed the original bulb that was here. And it's all like yellow. You can barely see anything. Just very dim. And I have one Lasfit here and then one the Cyrus LED. So before that I had a Cyrus LED installed. It was bright, but not as bright as Lasfit. So now let's put the Lasfit one. In order to open this light, take your removal tool, push it on the edge and pry it out. It's easy, very easy. And then you'll see there's plastic cover right here. We're gonna also take your removal tool and just pry it out. The bulb is visible. Just take it out. You see it's much brighter than the original bulb. Let's turn it on. I say it's much brighter? Oh yeah, much brighter. And now let's take that out and let's install LASFIT bulb. These are called T10. Let's try it. Okay, the LASFIT is installed. I pushed it in. All I need to push this cap. There I have a cap right here. And it's also kind of harder to push this L10 from LASFIT because it's a little bit thicker. But it's alright. Let's put this cap on. Okay, install this plastic cap. And let's push this trim back. Lights off. And let's see how bright it is. You can see the whole trunk. You can see everything in the trunk. Off. On. Beautiful. Let's turn on the interior lights. And the front. Wow, you can see the whole interior. Beautiful. That's why I like LASFIT. Much brighter, better quality build lights. And there's a difference for you guys. And this video also was sponsored by LASFIT. And thank you guys for sending me these beautiful LEDs. Now my whole interior is upgraded to a much better product. Thank you so much. So thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I appreciate you guys so much. And click the button on the bottom, and I will link in the description to show you how I installed the lights on the previous video, if you're interested to see that.